Hello everyone, this is Mia from Retekess Official. Today I will show you how to change all the pages with vibration. For example, now let's connect the items and turn on. First, go to the setting. For the vibration, it's F5. Go to F5, and 0 it means turn off, and other means turn on. But let's check few first. As you can see, this only has the beep and no vibration. And this one has the vibration. This one has the vibration as well. So now let's try to turn all the vibration off. 5 and 0 means off, so remove 5, confirm. As you can see, they all set successfully. Now let's check. Okay, no vibration. No vibration. No vibration. Now that's it. So if you want to change all the pages with one working mode, so you have to set it first and remove all the pages and press confirm. So that will work. And if you want to know more and have more questions, feel free to contact us here, the support@retekess.com. Thank you.